Hey everybody, Rory from A&S Gear. We're going to take a quick look at the Airgun Designs Level 10 Low Impact Superbolt kit. If you have a mag of some sort, mini mag, RT, and you're having problems or you're breaking a lot of paint, it could be because of just the amount of pressure running through the bolt, striking the paint. You could be causing a lot of breakage or just problems with how the bolt is running. So they've got this level 10 super low impact bolt kit. It's designed to obviously do a couple things: impart less pressure or impact on the bolt, give you a smoother cycle, less recoil when you're shooting, just all around an upgrade to the bolt system that comes standard in the mag. So we're going to open it up, show you what you're going to get, show you what the pieces are. Obviously you're going to get your bolt. This is your low impact bolt, and you're going to get 3 different length and strength springs. You can see them there. You're also going to get your parts kit. We're going to dump that out for you so you can check it out. I don't want to be on this side here so you can actually see it. Right there. So most of these pieces, here's another tip. This is one of the insert in the tip there. It can be nice and soft on paint. You've got your spacers. Now these spacers are each marked on the side. You'll want to go to the website, Airgun Designs website, and look at what the marks mean, and that's going to show you how big the spacer is. Going to give you an idea of which spacer you can use, where it needs to go inside there. Plus you've got some little shims here, and then all of your O-rings and seats to make everything seal when you're switching over your bolt. So if you're looking to make your mag as smooth, as quiet, and as easy on paint as possible, this is the bolt kit for you. The Level 10 Low Impact Super Bolt Kit from Airgun Designs. Order yours now through ansgear.com.